My name is Doug Bilderback and I am your presenter today. Our topic is AR credit and collections tips and tricks. Let's take a look at the interest profile setup next. So Sage has the ability to assess interest on accounts. So we can have as many different interest profiles. I've got two here, one for retail and one for wholesale. So if I look at my retail profile, I've got my code and my description. I've defined the GL account that I want any interest income to get booked to. I'm telling it how do I want to calculate my interest, whether it's by document or by customer balance. And then I can charge interest and say on how many days overdue. So this is a grace period option. So here on the retail, we're not charging interest on late documents that are only a few days old. So they have to be more than 15 days old for them to be assessed an interest. I can round up my interest to a minimum charge if I want to. So if here I've got a minimum interest charge of $1. So if the interest was 23 cents, Sage is going to automatically round that up and charge a minimum amount of $1. And then I can put in my annual rate down here for my interest rate. And then I have an option here to compound the interest. So when we create an interest charge on a customer, we're technically creating what we call an interest invoice. And by compounding the interest, not only will the interest mechanism charge interest on outstanding transactions, it's going to charge interest on outstanding interest documents as well. So you can elect to make that compounded or not. And if I look here at my other setting, the only difference is the number of days of grace that we are providing. I will thank you all for a great day. If you've got suggestions for future sessions, hey, send them in either to myself or into support@Equation Tech. My information is right here on the screen. Give me a call, shoot me an email, send something into support@Equation Tech. We'd be happy to take your input and create a webinar out of it. Wish you a lot of sunshine out there. Talk to you later. Take care. Bye-bye.